Welcome to a quick demo of the Retainio app. I'm going to show you how you can create engaging Microbuzz sites in minutes using this first-to-market app. Now let us log into the Retainio app right now. First, we need to create a Microbuzz site. So what you do is enter the subdomain name, and if it is available, click on Proceed. You can also CNAME map and point it to the domain of your choice. Now let's personalize the look of the Microbuzz site. You could select the theme here, customize your menu, customize the website, the footer, and contact page, and a lot of other settings of your Microbuzz site right here. Now we will see the settings tab right now, and here you can set up your Amazon API keys, the Wordpress, Usign. You can now choose the Microbuzz site that we just created and start adding posts. Give a title and description for your post. You could search images from Pexels, Pixabay, Jiffy, Usign, or even from the web. You can enter tags related to your post. It will also auto-update once you add elements like videos. Let's start adding elements now. We have videos, polls, conversations, quotes, image, list, swiper, paragraphs, and so much more. We'll now add a video. You could search from YouTube, Vimeo, or even use the embed code option. You can edit the headline and continue adding more elements. Now let us add a poll inside our page. Give a title and description for the poll. Add your options and then add the item to your post. Create immersive conversations using the Convo option. By default, you will have 2 member conversations. You can increase the members using Add Member. Set the name and image of all the members and type in the conversation. You can increase the conversations of the members by clicking the corresponding member, and a new conversation will be added. Once you are done, you can add the conversation to the page. Let us add a quote. You can customize your quote or search for quotes using keywords. You can also add author and add the item to the post. Next, we will add images. You can search for images in Pexels, Pixabay, Jiffy, Web, and Usign. Put in the keyword and find the relevant images. You can also upload images from your computer and add it to the image gallery to use anytime. Now let us create a very powerful item. It's lists. Give a title and description. Add elements. Enter the title and description and add relevant images. You can now add new elements and follow the same steps. When you are done creating the full list, you can actually post it. And let us see how to add a swiper. You give the title and description and as many images as you want and choose the swiper style. Now you add this to the post. Next comes the paragraph. You could add your descriptive text right here. You can format the text using the text editor. You could also add a call to action button and redirect the viewer to any URL of your choice. Once you add your Amazon API settings in the back end, you can add relevant products with your affiliate link to the Microbuzz sites. Let me quickly show you the content locking feature using which you can generate leads. Choose any particular element and enable locking. You could use this to collect email addresses of the visitors and directly add it to your favorite autoresponder. Now, once you are done adding all elements, you can save, preview, or directly publish it. You can copy the published link and share anywhere or use the embed code to add this content inside your websites. Okay, let us quickly look at the site that we just created. It's a beautiful Microbuzz site, and that was created in just a matter of minutes. Now, these posts can be shared on Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest. Let me quickly show you one of our other sites where we have a lot of posts. You can set up which posts should show as hot, trending, popular, or latest, and it will show here accordingly. You can also check the analytics of your site. You can see the views, average time, unique visitors, social referrals, and leads. That's how simple it is to create Microbuzz sites using Retainio. I hope you enjoyed this demo.